We'll guide you through how to fix the Google Play Store missing on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem because perhaps you're wanting to go and update apps, you're wanting to go and download more apps, you want to go and use the Play Store. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and find it again and get it back when it's missing. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So what you can do is you can go and swipe up like so. Then what you can do is you can go to the top and you can go and press search first of all. And you want to go and type in Play Store. Because in some cases, it may have been removed from the home screen, but still be on the app pages. So if it goes and appears here, what you can then do is you can tap and hold your finger on it, and you can go and press add to home and you can go and add it back. That may be the problem, is that it was just missing from the home page and you've now got it back again. However, if that doesn't go and solve it, the next thing you want to try doing is you want to go and tap and hold in some blank space on your home screen like so, and press settings. Or alternatively, instead of pressing settings there, you swipe up, press search at the top and search for settings, or go and find settings on the app pages. Scroll down and you can go and find your home screen settings. Scroll down here and find hide apps on home and apps screens. If you struggle to go and find this hide apps option, press search in the top right of settings and you can search for hide apps and hopefully you can find the option. Look at the top and you just want to make sure that it hasn't been hidden. If it has, you can tap on it and go and press done. And after you make a change, we can go and press done. And then what you can do is you can go and swipe up and search at the top again for Play Store and you should hopefully go and find it and you can go and add it back to your home screen. If you still find that it's missing, what you can do is you can go back to your settings and you're going to be at the top probably, scroll down and find apps. Here it is. And let's just go and wait for this to load. What we can then do is we need to go and find Play Store in apps. Shouldn't be much longer. So what you can do in apps is you can scroll down, find it, or press search in the top right, and we can go and type in Play Store. Here it is, and you can go and tap on it. And if it's been disabled, you can go and press enable, and then it'll go and be back. Once again, you may need to go and swipe up, search for Play Store, and you can go and add it back, or it may already be on your homepage. It doesn't matter. But that's it. Hopefully you managed to go and fix it when it's missing. Leave a like if you found this useful.